Time to repair that socket. I don't know how they work on the sockets around here. See another socket took them loose. Fix a couple of sockets and we'll be out of here. I'm gonna have a vendor for that. We'll be out of here. Swing. Nothing repair. Swing. Bye. The whole socket is split apart like a fire hazard. We're gonna replace the whole socket out. Swing. Bye. That thing just falling all apart. What I just said. Fire hazard waiting to happen. All wired up both sides. Already burnt up. Nice and secured. Time to put the plate on. Nice and solid. Let's see if the power work. Let's see if it works. Lights on.